Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. It's another one of those weekends where I have so much to do, I'm really busy, and I just thought, you know what, why not just take my people with me? So lately, I have been working on those nightstands. I got those painted. They came put together 95%, and then the other 5%, I'm going to put those together today. I put everything together, and then my daughter and my husband were like, oh, we really should paint the handles, even though I asked them when everything was taken apart. I have some speed cleaning that I need to do around my kitchen, and I will also be reviewing a product called Super Clean, which I have reviewed before. But Jessica reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do another video, and I really like working with them because it's an honest review and they want it to be honest, and I've never had to lie about it or anything like that. And some companies do want you to lie, which is why I don't review a lot of products. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music. You can declutter with me, you can speed clean with me, you can deep clean with me. Whatever it is that your little pea picking heart desires, you do that, okay? If you're new here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, hype your girl up, leave a comment, and also hit the like button. All of these things are free. It doesn't cost you a thing, but it really helps people like me who are small YouTubers. We have two piles. This is going back to the workplace. This is going to be donated. Ooh, your girl got a tan. Okay. Anyway, I'm glad I got that done. I'm glad I got that done because every time I opened the drawer, it was like I was fighting for my life. And it was annoying. And it only took about a month or 2 months to do it. Whatever. Let's move right along. After I put that clear coat on the nightstands, I needed to bring them in the house, so that's what I'm doing now. And they're looking really good, that's for sure. I'm about to play it smart. I am not taking those nightstands back upstairs. I'll wait for my husband to get home. I do need to put the legs on them, so hopefully I will get that done today, if not tomorrow. But I wanted to talk to you about this amazing cleaning product that I have always loved. If you've been here for a while, you already know I love Super Clean. The reason I love Super Clean is it's a great degreaser. So I'm not even gonna have to say much. What I'm gonna do is show you how it works. Shout out to Jessica. She reached out to me to see if I wanted to review the product again. I've done several giveaways on my Instagram channel as well. Did I just say Instagram channel? Is that accurate to say Instagram channel? Okay, anyway, let me do some things around the kitchen. I just gotta tidy up really quickly, and then I need to clean off my stove really bad, and I'm gonna use the Super Clean product. Let me show you what I'm working with. These need folded tremendously, okay? That dish back there is clean. That's Super Clean right there. That's my water. Let's spin you around quite slowly. Then I have some sausages that my husband made that need to be put away. Also, I bought, listen, let me show you what I bought, y'all. These Scrub Daddy sponges were $5.99 and there are 12 of them. I had to snatch it up quick, fast, and in a hurry. We have a store here called Home Buys, and that's where I got it from. There's my coffee cold brew maker in here. I need to actually wash that out and make some more cold brew. You guys, I'm down to 2 days a week for coffee, and then I need to put that prescription away. So not a lot to do really in the kitchen, just gotta get it together real quick. What is that one place in your home that is always clean? For me, it's my kitchen, just because I'm a mad scientist up in here, and when I'm in here, I want to be comfortable. I want it to be clean. And that way, if I go to cook, all I need to do is just like wipe stuff down, because I'm very anal about like kitchens and bathrooms and living rooms. In my opinion, in my home, they should always be clean. I also have those spaces that are never tidy, and that's any closet in my house, any cabinet in my house, and any drawer except for the one that I'm about to load up with these cleaning cloths. Those drawers are the most organized, and I'm very proud of that, just saying. In life, you have to celebrate every win, and a win for me is having a tidy drawer. And if that's a win for me and I want to celebrate that, then by golly gee, I'm going to, okay? Let's take a quick field trip. I hope you're not dizzy. Gotta go to the bathroom. Light automatically comes on. Boom! Okay, so since the light automatically came on, it may be a little bit dark, but this is where these towels go.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our way, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no, cause I got you.
Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. What have you been working on this summer thus far? Even though the summer doesn't start until like a week and a half, but what have you been doing? For me, it's summer because it's like 90 degrees in central Ohio. It's always like this. It's pretty brutal, but I have gotten a tan and I think I'm cute with a tan. Okay, I'm just saying. But on a serious note, I hope that you're taking care of your mental health. I hope that you're pouring love into yourself, because that's one thing that I'm big with, is pouring love into yourself, saying your affirmations, making sure you pray, making sure you meditate. Whatever it is that makes you happy is what you should do. Just because this world is such a bad place that we live in. People are not friendly. People are not kind. People say rude things. People do rude things. But in order for you to not be like them, you just got to pour love into yourself. Just make sure that you're protecting your peace and your energy at all costs.
Stuck in my head when lights go. Declutter love.
As a cleaner, it is my responsibility to tell you how to clean. Even if you don't want to hear it, I'm gonna tell you, okay? Because I'm here to learn you something. Yes, I said learn you something. At any rate, I always say clean from top to bottom. I totally forgot that I needed to clean out the inside of my microwave because it needs Jesus, okay? So we're gonna work on that next. There are other things that you can use Super Clean on. You can use it on your shoes. You can use it if you have an oil leak in your garage. You can spray it down and let it soak. I've done that before when I had my other car and it works very well. Any area that has tough grime or grease buildup is a great place to use Super Clean. Like I said, it works really well. It gets the grease right up. You're not gonna have to put a bunch of muscle into it. The key is just allowing it to soak. Good, the baked bean juice is gone. The next time somebody puts something in my microwave and don't cover it up, we gonna fight, okay? Family, you hear me? Please tell me I'm right. All right? Hey. Okay, yeah, that's right, girl. Okay, good. Okay, it's clean. You guys, I'm so thankful for having a peaceful home. I hope you enjoyed that ASMR. The microwave and stove look amazing. So what do you think? Didn't it do a good job? It did, I know. And it's purple, my favorite color. We decided that we wanted to go visit my parents and we're gonna surprise my mom with a banana split. So we're going to Dairy Queen. Who doesn't love Dairy Queen? As you can see, we're back home now, and the star of the hour is my husband because you ladies love him so much. And if I need to pimp him out on this channel to get more views, that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Hello, I'm smart. My inside mats of my car have not been cleaned since before winter, so he was getting those together for me. You can also use Super Clean to clean out the inside mats of your car. I have done that before and it works quite well. While he's out here doing some landscaping for the neighbors, I need to refill some of my cleaning products. I'm refilling my yellow Mr. Clean antibacterial. I'm refilling some vinegar as well as some baking soda. I feel like it can be really challenging finding a good spray bottle, so anytime I buy Method, I keep those spray bottles and I use them for just everyday cleaning that I do with my own cleaning products. Now it's time to make my cold brew. If you have not made cold brew at home, you are really missing out. First of all, I'm saving a lot of money and it's just smarter to do it at home anyway because it saves a lot of money. Did I already say that? You also have the power to make it strong, weak, medium, however you want to make it. And let me tell you a little trick that I do. I also put some almond extract in mine. Don't knock it till you try it, because I see some of y'all with y'all's nose turned up. Don't knock it till you try it. It is so good. It's the next day. It's about an hour before flag football time, so I wanted to make sure that I got all these handles on here to only have to remove them a day later. But I wanted to make sure that I got this taken care of and put the rest of the nightstands together. I am so pleased with the job that I did on these nightstands. I told you guys, I am the type of person, I'm going to celebrate every single win because I deserve that. And the moment that you realize there are things that you deserve in life, you're going to celebrate every single win as well. I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to be here and to support my channel. Like, you don't even understand how much I appreciate it. I love reading the comments. Some of the comments make me cry. I just gasp. But some of them do make me cry. Some of them make me giggle. Some of them I just be like, why did you leave that comment? Because you could have kept that to yourself. Haven't you ever heard, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all? It definitely takes a special person to do social media because people are rude. If you have not been told today, you are enough, okay? You are worthy, you are important, you are smart, and you are beautiful.
I can't stay, you know I can't stay. If the passion's gone, we're doing it wrong. If the passion's gone, we're doing it wrong.
I did put the first nightstand together off camera because I needed to make sure that I was focusing, but now I'll just show you how I did it. It's really simple. Thank God these already came 95% put together. I will be sure to link it below in the description box.
Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion